This is Dwayne Mooney. This is my book, Sacred Man, A Man's Guide to Openly Loving, Healing, and Managing Multiple Women. I am a polyamorist. I believe that a man should have multiple women, and I believe that a woman can have multiple men. So women, I'm not a one-sided dude. I believe that we can both have that. It's an alternative way of relationships, having relationships, saving marriages, etc., etc., etc. Getting the love and touch that you want. This book is just written for men to have multiple women, and how to do it correctly, how to do it with authentic love and energy, how to manage multiple women. When I say manage, I mean, just like actors, a manager manages actors, or a manager manages athletes, or politicians, or what they're doing is actually managing. It means they are a support system for that person who wants to do certain things, that actor, politician, or athlete, or any professional who has a manager. A manager works with you. It doesn't dictate anything. You can change the rules at any time. It's your script. He's there to help you get through life the best way that he knows how. To help you become a better person the best way he knows how. And what this book does is share. Because now we're at a time with the Me Too movement and the feminist movement. Man, you better know how to deal with women. You better know how to deal with their emotions. You better know how to manage them, lead them when you need to. You better know how to relate to them. You better learn how to listen to them. And that's what this book shares with you. It's a lot of good information, ancient information, dealing with women in the past and what they were doing. It's a lot of good information right now on for men, how to let women chase you, how to put yourself in a position where they want you, how to work on yourself as a man, where you are a wanted man. That's what you want to be. You want to be a desired man, and you want to work on yourself, and that's how you attract women. And you want women to choose you. I'm at the point where I have multiple women choosing me all the time, and you can be in that same perspective, because how many men out there actually feeling low self-esteem? They're reading all these dating, going to these dating sites, trying to learn this dating game, and we get past that. We just want you to work on you. You don't have to have slick lines to women. You just want to be confident. You want to know who you are. And believe me, if you just say hello and give a nice compliment and know how to communicate, women will be attracted to that. They'll feel your sense of confidence and vibration of you know who you are, and you don't fear women. You love women, because that's what you want to do. You want to love women from all walks of life. So this book was written for men to get their stuff together and to know how to deal with multiple women. And you've heard polyamory. Polyamory means more loves. So this isn't polygamy. Polygamy is one-sided. And let's break it down. Polygamy means a man who has many wives, or a woman that has many husbands. Polygyny means when a man has many wives. And polyandry means when a woman has many husbands. So this is like a combination. Polyamory is an updated piece where anything goes. Gays can be with gays. 3 men can be together. 3 women can be together, or whatever. However you want to do it. 1 man, 2 women, 2 men, 1 woman. However you want it. It could be 5 people, 6 people, whatever it is. But it's done with integrity, and it's being authentic, and it's being truthful, and you guys work out whatever system that you want. Sacred Man, A Man's Guide to Openly Loving, Healing, and Managing Multiple Women, is my system. It's how I do it. And when you pick up the book, a lot of men don't know what to do. They're out there struggling with their wife, struggling with girlfriends, struggling with making women happy, struggling with having long-term relationships. This book teaches you that. If you don't have a woman, it's going to show you how to get into yourself, how to build yourself, and you will attract women. If you're in a relationship and you're not happy, it's going to show you how to create happiness within the relationship, even if it's monogamous. It's enough information in this book to help a monogamous relationship. However, it really helps when you want multiple loves as a man. And a lot of men do. Let's get real. A lot of you are hiding. You're scared to tell your woman. You're intimidated by your woman. Let's get rid of that. This book shows you how to deal with women, deal with women's emotions, and how to take a stand on your own masculinity and your own manhood. And at the same time, be sensitive enough to her feelings and her needs and her wants. You learn how to negotiate with your woman. And you're not even afraid if she has other men. What if I date other men? You don't even care. You're not bothered by other men. Real men are not bothered by women who want other men. That's a falsehood. My woman can't have any men, but I can have all the women I want. That's patriarch bullshit. You have to be fair. So, this book really helps you become that dude, though, that man that women want. Okay? So, get it. Sacred Man, A Man's Guide to Openly Loving, Healing, and Managing Multiple Women. It's an ebook. You can order it at the Wealth Portal, Inc. Right here. Click here and go to store and get the book. Sacred Man. Love to have you on the team. Follow it up with a consultation so you can really get some work done. I can consult you for a 1 hour session, which is $100, or I can consult you for 30 days. I can consult you for 6 months to help you really become the best you can be and have as many women as you can handle and not afford, because this is not polygamy. It's no ownership. As many women as you can handle in your life. And also, when women read this book, they'll get some information too on how to have multiple men. All they got to do is reverse the concept, and they can have multiple men. I should write a book one day for women called The Wild Woman, and how a woman's guide to openly loving, healing, and managing multiple men. That's what I should write. I have one of my women write it with me, who has multiple men. So this is where we're going. But get this book. It's only $14.95. Great book at the wealthportalinc.com. I guarantee you, your life will be changed, and you will have as many women as you want all over you, loving you, supporting you, showing different reflections of yourself, because they'll be different when you're not trying to get the same woman over and over again like people do in polygamy. You're actually getting different women that fit a different part of you, and how to bring down that jealousy with compersion. You're going to work it. You're going to be a sacred man. So get the book. Peace, poly, and prosperity.